versus okay. Yeah. So here's to make I don't know, gonna add this in, then you can go ahead just like this, and then drop those two numbers, then then go up here, click this menu right here, scoping, and then you're gonna wanna go to symmetry. So starting around here, go to the right, and then down to symmetry. And then you want to go down to symmetry, and then click mirror on this on the y-axis, and then you can increase the strength up here, and then click minus button, then increase this to 200. So we go right here 7 times, and not really that, and then you want to go start from here, go to the right, then go down, and then click the Y button again, we're still on it, but you know. Okay, there we go. So you want to decrease this to 100, of the right up here, and then you want to decrease the strength a bit to exactly 6.74, 3, okay. And then, like just gonna circle around here a bit, and then to smooth it out, you're gonna want to make this point 146. Yeah, that's fine. Wait. Alright, so you're gonna smooth this out. Like emphasize yeah. And then here you want to click Control I, click that button, not mouse button, and on the target logo, then click on the green number, and then you want to drag this backwards a little bit, and then move this, move this back, and then click pause, maybe, I don't know, and then, you want to click the right mouse button to open the object context menu, then you want to shade smooth, and then that's what you have so far. Now we can click on teeth. stop me. Click S, Shift C, wait. Let's look at this using disk 2 or use, or you can and then you wanna, click S, Shift Z, and then and now you have the tree, the sword, drop the sword, and you wanna have this, it's kind of like a monument, like a pyramid, chicken voice, but not yet. Then you wanna add subdivide, subdivide, and then want to increase it to about 1, 2, 3, make it 100. Oh no, so damn, okay, damn, I didn't have to, wait. Oh damn, I got outdated, digit back 3. Actually, you know what? Make this 0, we don't need it, and apply. Oh man, just 1 minute. And then after applying, you want to go to scoping, and kind of want to like, yeah, that seems good. Yeah, that seems good. Okay, wait. There, like. Okay. There. Okay, then we can introduce this back. Then we want to scale this down a lot. Now, drag it over here using the control tool while you're dragging thing. Then, you're going to add modifier and click array. Okay, wait. It's not a word, you want to apply. And then you want it to be 0.2, 0.4, 0.4, okay, there you go. Actually, wait, no, I think 6.7 more, and then you want to drag it over here. So, no, it's not even, take some 12, then. You know, I like to scale up just 10,000 like that, million. Just like 3, and then drag it over here. And then, you know, you're gonna want to trace backwards. Using the thing. Kind of like pieces that you can't see and all, you know. And it's like this, middle here, and then straight up, you want to get invisible, and then